Online reputation agency in Singapore 2026 is simpler than you think, but most people get it wrong on day one. In the next 4 minutes, you will learn online reputation agency in Singapore 2026 from zero to first result. No fluff. No filler. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. Step 1. Define the outcome you want from online reputation agency in Singapore 2026. Write it in one sentence. Step 2. Pick the smallest version of online reputation agency in Singapore 2026 you can ship today. Cut the rest. Step 3. Run the smallest version end to end. Measure what breaks. Step 4. Fix the single biggest break. Ignore the others for now. Step 5. Repeat the loop until the outcome is real. Then scale up. Now the numbers. Average cost is $120 per month. Time to first result is 7 days. Success rate after 30 days is 82%. Here's what it costs. $120 per month. Compare these two paths. DIY without a system 3 months, no result, frustration. Versus online reputation agency in Singapore 2026 with this plan 7 days, first result, momentum. Look at this detail. Skip the warning at your own risk. Most online reputation agency in Singapore 2026 guides skip the measurement step. That is why most online reputation agency in Singapore 2026 attempts die in week 2. The number one mistake is starting with the tool. Tools come last. Outcome comes first. Quick checklist before you start. This is the form you fill in. Here's the full loop. Most people quit at week 2. Don't. So, define the outcome, ship the smallest version, measure, fix the biggest break, repeat. That is online reputation agency in Singapore 2026. Tap the link in the description. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.